Hello, my name is Nathan Leahy, the Field Service and Sales Engineer for Weldability Sif, responsible for the building, testing and repair of our welding units, welding fume extraction units and our air monitoring device, the ProtectoScan EDI. What I'm going to go through with you today is our wide range of high vacuum fume extraction units. The range starts off with small portable units that are capable of extracting up to 1 extraction point, all the way up to large single centralized fan and filter units that can extract up to 10 extraction points. At the start of the range, we've got our ProtectoVac Max, which is a very cost-effective single brush type motor unit. It's extremely light at only 32 kilograms. It comes in multi-voltages, so 110 and 230 volts. It comes with a fully cleanable filter with a built-in cleaning mechanism, and it comes supplied as standard with a hood and magnetic clamp, which is capable of extracting up to 100 millimeters away. This unit is perfect for your light maintenance welder and for those people that need to do off-site welding but don't have the room or power supply capable of feeding a larger fixed extraction unit. Next up, we've got the Sif Vac Torch. This is again very cost-effective unit. This one comes with a twin brush type motor as standard, but it also has a turbine motor upgrade for a little bit of extra power. Again, still light at 32 kilograms. This one comes again in 110 and 230 volts. Has that same fully cleanable filter with the dust stop mechanism, except this one extracts from a lightweight torch, so there's no need for the end user to reposition a hood. This unit is ideal for all industrial welding applications where you need axial fume extraction but you can't fit a mobile extraction unit with a separate hood. Next up, we've got the ProtectoTwin, which is extremely light at only 25 kilograms. This has a fully cleanable filter. This one does come with 2 ports, so you can choose which port you extract from at once. It has an infinitely adjustable speed control for the fan unit. It has automatic cleaning when hooked up with compressed air, and of course comes supplied as standard with a hood and a magnetic clamp, effective up to 100 millimeters away from the work process. Similar to the Vac Max, this is perfect for your light maintenance welding and off-site welding. Next up, we've got the slightly upgraded ProtectoCart, which is still just under 30 kilograms. Has that same fully cleanable filter. Again, it's got 2 ports similar to the ProtectoTwin, where you can extract from 1 port at a time. This one does, however, have a digital display, fully automatic cleaning. It also has automatic suction control, and this one comes supplied as standard with a hood and magnetic clamp, effective up to 100 millimeters. This particular unit, however, is again perfect for all industrial welding applications. Last up, we've got our Sif Vac POD, which comes in 4 different models. This particular unit has automatic filter cleaning. It can serve up to 10 extraction points with the high-end model, and it serves as a sort of single powerful centralized fan and filter unit, so you're not using individual units for each individual user. So this is ideal where you'd like a single centralized unit instead of multiple units for each of your welders. If you'd like to look at any of our other fixed extraction systems or high volume, mobile and downdraft extraction benches, you can see the video links below.